the straw that really broke the camel's back, as far as my resistance was concerned, was the Epstein stuff, which I was apprised of in 2019. I didn't realize, I mean, it was absolutely news to me that there were any number of high-profile pedophile rings. It's not just some, and you can learn about these in the mainstream media, and they aren't talked about as much as they should be, to my way of thinking. It's, human trafficking, including the trafficking of children for sex, is a thing. And the people who are involved in it, as a friend of mine impressed on me, have, let's just say, a strange sort of religion. And at least some of them, I'm sure are merely, creeps. And he was pushing these various occult books on me, and saying, if you really want to understand how they think, then you need to read these things. And I said, well, being a skeptic, I think such things could be true. I didn't believe any of them because, again, I'm a skeptic, but I left open the possibility that there might be a spirit world, for example. And I said, well, if I'm going to read these, I'm going to take them at all seriously, then I'm conceiving of the possibility of a world in which there really are demons and whatnot, and in which case I want to keep any such spiritual doors firmly shut. And I know that I would be on the side of the angels in that case. That's for sure. So I said, I finally concluded that if I were going to read anything along those lines, it would be the Bible itself, because the occult is an inversion of, a twisting of, a reaction to the Bible and to Christianity and traditional Judaism. So a few months passed by, and December 2019, I decided, just as bedtime reading, not actually related to any of that directly, I decided to pick up the Bible. And at first I thought I was just going to read a little bit here and then, but now and then, and
what the London Real Investment Club actually does for you, it gives you the keys to open that door to the inside deals. In the last 3 weeks, I've participated in 3 incredible deals: a layer 2 Bitcoin protocol, an incredible AI protocol. The deal flow is beyond what I expected. I don't think I've ever seen a model like this that just gives average folks the opportunity to be behind the deals. And that's exactly what we've done. Not only that, you get to hang out with Brian Rose every week. And for me, that was huge, because I look at Brian as somebody who's not only an expert in the space, and I think is on the leading edge, but just the leading edge of thought with London Real and the work he's doing there. To anyone who's taking a serious look at this, I know it's a big decision. It was a big decision for me and my family, and it is one of the best decisions I've ever made. So I wish you all the best, and hope you come join us.
I got really fascinated just in a few days, and after a few weeks, I had adopted a 100-day reading plan, or 90-day reading plan. It took me 100 days, and by the time I had gotten through it, by the spring of 2020, I believed that God exists. I rethought all of the traditional arguments for the existence of God. So I have a PhD in philosophy. I used to teach philosophy of religion. And I was entirely familiar with the main traditional arguments for the existence of God. But the following thought basically occurred to me. There's a lot of thoughts that have occurred to me on this that really made a difference, but the one that made the biggest difference is the best argument to draw from something like the first cause argument, that the universe could not have just sprung into existence all by itself. It doesn't make any sense. Had to have some sort of cause. Isn't that God exists, which is the cause? Because that just doesn't follow. Like, what's God? All right. It's all that follows from that is something that is independent of the universe, of what we call creation, would have to have some sort of explanatory relation to the universe, right? And it would have to exist necessarily. But the thing is, this is the thought. If you combine that conclusion that there is a necessary being, that its activity, whatever it was, created the world. If you combine that conclusion with the conclusion of many other of the traditional arguments for the existence of God, the whole can serve as what philosophers call an argument to the best explanation. So the idea is there is an explanation of all of the data, which when people are thinking about religion, they sooner or later acquaint themselves with, right? And that is that not just God, but the God of Christianity exists. I'm now writing a book. I'm like 650 pages into it, called God Exists, and I don't have a publisher yet. I've actually had offers to publish it, but it's too long, and I'm not going to make it shorter. So I'm going to finish writing this, and then maybe I'll write a popularization. But I'm just basically recording the sort of philosophical grounds on which I've changed my mind about God. But since then, it took me 5 years to pick a church. But I'm now in the conservative or traditional branch of the Anglican Church in the United States. It's called the Anglican Church in North America, and I go to church every Sunday now, and I believe that Jesus Christ is my Lord, and that He died for my sins, and that's one of the most important and worthwhile ways that we can spend our time is to read the Bible, to study it, understand God's word to us.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you.